If you look at our history, the prime ministership remained in the Sepik region for a very long time, at least about almost 20 years under the leadership of the Grand Chief. And it's been held in the highlands for almost about the same period with Wingti and with Wingti as the first prime minister. And we've had Peter O'Neill, who was there for 7 years. Wingti had it for about 5-6 years. And now Marape has had it for 5 years. So it's a very long time that it's been held up in the highlands. And likewise, we've had Namaliu and Chen, who held it in the New Guinea Islands. And we've had it in the Papuan region with Mekere and Bill Skate. And it's only fair that the people of Morobe be given the chance to lead the country if there's a need to change the prime minister. But that is something that the Pangu Party will decide within itself, and we hope that they come up with some good people in the province to take over the leadership. The Honorable Rainbow Paita has decided to defect and leave the Pangu Party to challenge the incumbent Prime Minister, Honorable James Marape. And we believe that in light of what the opposition has done in nominating him as the alternative Prime Minister, gives us a lot of doubt as we are of the opinion that he does not have the experience to take the challenges of leading this country at a very critical time, as the economy is plunging with mismanagement and a lot of things are not favorable. Since the closure of the Pogira gold mine, which was closed at the wrong time when gold price were at the highest, and the nation lost about billions of kina in loss of gold export earnings. But slowly we are coming to recover. So if the Pangu Party has got a leadership issue, it should be solved within the Pangu Party caucus, as is embedded in the constitution, and should not be done outside. So if the Pangu Party is going to decide on who's going to be the next leader, it has to be done within the Pangu Party itself and not outside the Pangu Party. So seeing that Rainbow Paita, the young fellows left the Pangu Party, we allow Pangu Party to resolve the internal issues to elect a new leader. And the People's Anti-Corruption Movement believes that the next Prime Minister should be from the Morobe province, because Morobe by demography has got the largest population, and is also by area the largest province in Papua New Guinea, apart from Western Province, which may have the same landmass, but a very small population. So in that regard, we should now, if there is to be a change in the leadership, we have to allow Morobian to be the next Prime Minister of the country. And it's a fair distribution, because so far, despite a very bad start with the Marape government, he's reached out to, made attempts to reach out to small businesses. They put money into the BSP bank and other banks in the country to help small and medium enterprises. And I think they've got a lot of plans there. And we want, if Marape is to continue to be Prime Minister, he has to reach out to more people by giving them money, making credit available to them so that they can be engaged in business and small enterprises. And only in that way we should be able to pick up with employment. I think they've started well. They've created a cocoa ministry, and they've created a coffee ministry and oil palm ministry. So, and I think there's been a lot of money earmarked, and money has been expended in those areas. They'll have to continue their trend, and increase the commitments to small businesses so that the country builds up its economy and develops self-reliance for food imports, from food imports. I think the largest cause of inflation in this country is that we have decided to ignore food production in this country, and we have imported inflation from other countries because the cost of production in other countries are brought here, which sort of destabilized or undermine the value of the kina. So if the Marape government can continue there, we will support it. But we obviously reject the idea of Rainbow Paita, who was a relatively young man with very little experience to take on the reins at this point in time, when he was not able to fix what went wrong within the party ranks himself. And he cannot cry out to the public to fix the issue. He should go back to Pangu party and fix the issue within. With that, the People's Anti-Corruption Movement encourages James Marape to continue to do the right thing. And we should all be more proactive and constructive in trying to get the country out of this economic doldrum that we have created due to a lot of bad decisions over the past. And thank you, Papua New Guinea, for watching me today. John Endemongo Koa, President of the People's Anti-Corruption Movement.